Hello children, this is Sarabjit here. Today we are going to learn our maths chapter 9, numbers from 50 to 79. Here first question is given. Look at the box of numbers, cross out. Here one bingo is given. You have to solve these questions. All single digit numbers. Now you have to cut all single digit numbers. Here 1, 2, 7, 8, 5, 3, 9, 6 and 4 is the single digit number. Now B is all numbers from 21 to 25. You have to cut all numbers from 21 to 25. In first row 21, here 23, in third row 25, 24, 22. That's all. Now see question. The number 10 and the number 20. You have to cut number 10 and 20. All numbers greater than 10 but less than 16. You have to cut the numbers greater than 10 but less than 16. So here 12, 11, 13, 16, 14 and 15. Now last is the leftover teen numbers. Now you have to cut the teen numbers which are left over. Now what are teen numbers? Teen numbers are from 11 to 19. Starts with 1. Teen numbers are from 11 to 19. So let's see here which are teen numbers are left. 18, 19 and 17. Now we will see some more exercises. Write the missing numbers. Here you have to write missing numbers. What comes before 1? Yes, 0. Same way you have to complete this missing numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. You have to complete this missing numbers. Now here next question is choose the correct number and write it in the given box. Now here you have to write the numbers by counting these blocks. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 blocks and we have some loose blocks also. So these are 10, 10, 20 and count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number will be 26. Now here 3 blocks of 10 blocks 1, 2 and 3 and 2 loose blocks. So number will be 32. Same way you have to solve this exercise. Now next is look at the 10 frame and complete the statement. Now you have to complete the statement here. 12 is one group of 10 and 2 more. Now here you have to count. 15 is one group of 10 and dash more. So these are 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 is one group of 10 and 5 more. Now here 17 is one group of 10 and dash more. So this is the block of 10 dots and how many more dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 17 is one group of 10 and 7 more. Like this you have to complete this exercise also. And you all have to learn this numbers names from 50 to 59. Now can you see how 50 number is formed here? These are bundle of 10 sticks. One bundle of 10 sticks, two bundle of 10 sticks, three bundle of 10 sticks, four bundle of 10 sticks and five bundle of 10 sticks. So the number we get is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bundle of 10 sticks and one loose stick. So the number is 51. Now here 5 bundle of sticks, 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. So the number we get is 52. Like these all numbers are same. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. Now here you have to write the missing numbers. Okay, what comes before 52? Yes, 51. 50, 51, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. Here you have to write the number names. Here the number names are given in the jumbled form and you have to arrange the spellings. Now same way the number 60 is formed, 61 is formed, 6 bundle of 10 sticks and 1 loose sticks. So number we get is 61. Now here you have to draw the lines starting from 0 and end at 66. And you have to color this picture also. Now here you have to complete the number names. 65 dash 67. So which number will come? 65, 66, 67. 59, 60, 61. 67, 68, 69. 54, 55 and 56. Now here drawing activity. Choose your favorite number between 60 to 69. Represent it as tens ones in the box below. Now you have to draw the box and represent any number of your choice from 60 to 69 as tens and ones. Now here also you have to complete the number names starting from 60 to 69 and you all have to learn these spellings. Now same way 70 number is formed. 7 set of 10 sticks forms the number 70. Now 7 bundle of 10 sticks, 1 loose stick is 71. 7 bundle of 10 sticks, 2 loose sticks is 72. 7 bundle of 10 sticks plus 3 loose sticks form 73. Same way these numbers are formed till 79. Now in this, fill in the given box. Here you have to fill the numbers from 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79. Like 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. You have to complete the numbers here. Trace the numbers. You have to trace these numbers. Now We'll see the numbers before or after. Before means बाद में and after before means पहले and after means बाद में. In before numbers you have to count backward and in after numbers you have to count forward. And same you can look here like 55. The number is 55. What comes after 55? 56. And what comes before 55? 54. And the 55 number is between 54 and 55. This is the middle number that we call between. Now here 75. What comes after 75? 76. And what comes before 75? 74. And the 75 number is between 74 and 76. Now here sort and write numbers between 50 to 59. Now from this ice cream you have to sort the numbers and write them in these boxes. Like in this box you have to write the numbers from 50 to 59. So sort from here 50, 51, 52, 56, 54, 59 you have to write here. Numbers between 60 to 69. You have to search the numbers from 60 to 69 and write down here like 60, 61, 63, 64, 66, 69. Numbers between 70 to 79. Now you have to sort out the numbers from 70 to 79. Now next question is complete the number patterns. Here you have to complete the number patterns. First read the numbers 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66. In number patterns you have to follow the patterns which are given in these numbers. Like the next is 65, 66, 65, 64. So here the counting is backward. Here is backward counting. So 65, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61 and 60. Same way here. Next is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 and 76. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. Now here complete the following. Here you have to complete the numbers. You have to add the numbers. 60 plus 5, it's 65. 60 plus 3, it's 63. 60 blocks, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One block is missing here. $60 blocks and 3 loose blocks. It's 63. 50 plus 7. It's 57. 60 plus 7 is 67. Now you have to add the numbers on the number line. Now 56 plus 3. So we will start from 56. We will take 3 jumps. 1, 2 and 3. The number is 57. 9. So the answer is 59. 56 plus 3 is 59. Here 64 plus 4. So we will take 4 jumps from 64. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer we get is 68. Same way you have to complete this number line. In addition, if you change the order of the numbers, the answer does not change. In addition, if we change the order of numbers, we get the same answer. Like 3 plus 4 equals to, you can add 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, the answer is same. If we change the order of numbers, but we get the same answer. The answer does not change by changing the order of the numbers in addition. Same way here, 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. You can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 5 plus 2 we get is 7. Now here write 3 ways of adding up to 5. Now we have to write 3 ways, means we can add different numbers to get the answer 5. Here first we have written 4 plus 1 we get 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 0 we get 5. Write 4 ways of adding up to 10. 4 plus 6 we get 10, 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 5 10, 2 plus 8 10. Now this is a subtraction. Now we are going to solve the following. Now here you have to subtract the numbers. 65 minus 2. Here you have to cut 2 blocks, 1 and 2. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 63. 58 minus 6. So you have to cut these loose 6 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 51 and 2. 52. Now 79 minus 4. You will cut 4 blocks here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer is 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 75. Now we will subtract at number lines. Now solve the following. In subtraction you have to come backward. Like 52 minus 7. So you will take 7 jumps from 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is the number here? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. So the answer is 45. Now next is 68 minus 6. So we will start from 68 and 6 jumps. We will take 6 jumps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the answer? 60, 61 and 62. So the answer is 62. Same way you have to solve this. Now we will add and subtract. Here 52 plus 0 we get 52. If we add 0 to any number we get the same number. Like same way, if we subtract 0 with any number we get the same number. 76 minus 0. So here we get the answer is 76. 76 minus 0. 0 means nothing. 76 plus 0. 0 means nothing. 57 plus 0. So we get 57. 74 minus 0. We get the answer is 74. Same way you have to solve this. Now relating addition to subtraction. Now here 10 dots together. Here we have 10 dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 minus 7 is 3. If we add 3 plus 7 we get 10, and if we subtract 10 from 7 we get 3. Now here 3 numbers are here, 9, 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 we get 9. If we add 1 plus 8 we will get 9. If we subtract 9 from 1 we will get 8, and if we will subtract 9 from 8 we will get 1. Now next question is add or subtract. Fill in the missing sign. You have to fill the missing signs. 6 plus 3 is 9. 21 and answer is 19. So from 20 you will minus 1. So we get the answer is 19. 5 and answer will be 10. So we will add 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 and 8, 11. We will add 3 plus 8. We will get 11. 8 and 3. We will subtract 8 from 3. So we'll get the answer 5. 7 and 3. We will subtract 7 and 3. We will get the answer 4. Now same way you have to do the questions here. Write 4 different facts. 2 plus 3 is 5. If we add 3 plus 2 we will get 5. If we subtract 5 minus 3 we will get answer 2. And if we will subtract 5 minus 2 we will get 3. Here you have to solve these questions. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.